Welcome to our tutorial today on how to install plugins on your WordPress blog. Now I'm going to show you how to install some of the most basic plugins. First off, you'll come to your dashboard and you'll go to Plugins. You'll click on Add New. When I click on Add New, I'll have some options of Search, Upload, Featured, Popular, Newest, or Recently Updated. Generally, I'll go to Popular first because there are some that, like it says, are popular. Scroll down. Google XML Sitemaps is a plugin that I've already installed. Next Gen Gallery is a plugin I'm going to install. So I see Next Gen Gallery, I click on Install Now. I click OK. And I'm going to click Activate Plugin. And that's it. I click on Add New again, Popular. I scroll down to find another one. WP Supercache is one that I am going to install. If you have questions about what these plugins do, you can read about them over to the right, or you can actually go to the details section. These are some by default I am going to install. Click OK, and I click Activate Plugin. This is a good example. Some of these will have to go out actually do things. This one says WP Supercache is disabled. Please go to the plugin admin page to enable caching. So I can click on the plugin admin page, and it says I have to set up my permalink structure. That can be done by going to Settings and Permalinks. And in this case, I'm going to set up what's called a custom structure, which just has a post name, and I'm going to save changes. Now when I go back to my Supercache plugin, I can turn it on and update the status. And now it is working. And go back to plugins, and you can see I've started adding plugins. To give you a list, here are plugins that I currently use on my own sites. Akismet, sometimes I'll use all-in-one SEO pack depending on which theme I'm using for my website. Broken Link Checker, Facebook Share, the new version, Google XML Sitemaps. And those that I've mentioned so far are all free plugins. Gravity Forms is a paid plugin, but I feel it's definitely worth it. Not only can it do custom forms or registration processes, but you can have a PayPal add-on where people can pay like a subscription. You can have a user registration add-on, a variety of functions. Most Comments and Most Comments widget, Subscribe to Comments, Tiny MCE Advanced, Tweet Me, Retweet Button, WordPress Database Backup, WP Supercache, and yet another related post plugin. And that's a tutorial on how to add plugins to your WordPress blog.